Hello everyone, Namaskar. Welcome to Supergrads CAT by Top Rankers. I am Mayur and will be helping you understand what is CAT and everything related to CAT, the small nitty-gritties to the path ahead once you appear for CAT. So let us begin when the first CAT happened. Initially, every institute conducted its own entrances, but later on, in 1984, the first CAT was held, that is Common Admission Test for the then existing IIMs. And since then, it has gone through so many changes as per the requirement of the industry and as per the requirement of the candidates, as per the requirement of the colleges. It has underwent so many changes. There were so many fluctuations in the timings as well. And nowadays, the CAT is for 120 minutes. And what is asked in CAT? So, there are three sections: VARC, which is your first section, TILR, your second section, and Quantitative Ability, which is your third section. Equal timings have been allocated to these three sections, that is 40 minutes each. And for correct answers, 3 marks are awarded. For wrong answers, in terms of multiple choice questions, you will be penalized with 1 mark. But in terms of theta questions, means where you have to type the answers, you will not be penalized with anything when your answer goes wrong. So if we count total number of questions, then it is 66, and the distribution is 24 questions in VARC, 20 in DILR, and 22 questions in Quantitative Ability. If we talk about the difficulty level, so for CAT 2023, the difficulty level was little higher as compared to the previous CATs. Let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So one should have either graduation or equivalent degree in order to appear for CAT. So the students, those who have completed their graduation, can obviously appear for CAT. The one who are in the final year of their graduation can also apply for the same. And obviously working professionals can apply for the CAT examination. The minimum percentage required is 50% for unreserved categories. For SC/ST, it is 45%. When it comes to fees, so it was 2400 for every candidate, and for SC/ST again it was 1200 rupees. Now, when does it happen? So the CAT generally happens on the last Sunday of November, and it happens in 3 slots. The first slot is 8:30 to 10:30. Second one is 12:30 to 2:30. And the third slot is 4:30 to 6:30. And the notification is generally released in August. So stay tuned so that you do not miss the notification and the dates for filling the form. Once you fill the form, then one of the IIM will conduct the examination. And if we talk about the bodies associated with CAT, then there are more than 1000 plus organizations which accept CAT scores for their admissions. But to be frank, there are only 300 to 400 organizations which can be considered as recognized or reputed organizations which offer you good returns in terms of placements, in terms of learning, in terms of exposure. And if we talk about 21 IIMs, then the placement reports ranges between 15 LPA to 35 LPA typical. There are obviously exceptions to the higher limit as well as the lower limit. But this is what CAT can offer you. There comes the next part. That is the interview procedure. Various colleges have various aspects of judgment. Along with the interview, they conduct group discussion, case study, or writing abilities. So once you ace your academic front by getting good percentile, you have to be prepared for the second aspect of the examination, which is your GDPI round. And once you are done with these two procedures in the most effective manner, then only you will be able to convert a good B school. And IFT, which is one of the reputed organization, has also considered CAT score in 2023 and will continue to accept CAT for their admission criteria. So this is also one more good institution which comes in the range of CAT. So this is all about CAT. And with this, I would like to take your leave. Keep liking, sharing, and subscribing for more such information. Thank you. Have a nice day.